Ayushman Bhava.
In this lecture, we are going to help you understand the www.foodwilldoit.com website like a pro. So let's get started. First things first. Whenever you buy a course, this website asks you to create an account. So you use the same email ID and password to log into your course account. Once you have purchased the course, then the next step is to log into your course. When you buy a course, you have to sign up with the website. Now once you have purchased the course, then the next step is to log into your course. So you click on log in and then you enter the email ID and password. Now let's assume you enrolled in my course Mission Ayushman Bhav. So look under Dashboard tab and you will find all courses that you have purchased that have enrolled in. Click on your course to get started. This is one of the most common questions from my dear students, is how to get started. And this is how you do it. So quick recap before we proceed. Step 1. Use the same email ID and password you used when you signed up with foodwilldoit.com and paid for the course. Step 2. When you log in, you will see your tab called Active Courses. Whichever course you have purchased will show up here. Step 3. Click on the course you want to get started with. To begin with, every course on foodwilldoit.com is self-based. There is a 180 days finishing date. You decide when you want to start and you decide how much time you want to take to complete it. The 6 weeks that I have mentioned is a personal need to complete this course, is an estimated time frame or an average time students take to complete this course. Some do it in as little as a few days, whereas some take their own sweet time. You also have 180 days to access this course. Plus, I am obsessed with improving the quality of my courses, so don't be surprised if you find new lectures after a few days. Important note, time limit of 180 days is to motivate you to complete this course in proper time. If you are not able to complete, you can enroll again for a lifetime at a 90% discount rate, which you have a 99% discount today. But if you complete and give the test, you will get access to this course for life free of cost. Step 4. Now, look towards your left top. There you will find all the contents of course. Under the contents, you will find sections of the course. Almost all my lectures have a video and a text together. Very few are only text-based. Moving on. Every course has a script. Whatever I am saying in every lecture is written here in the description. There is a progress bar that measures your progress.